Hi friends, in this video we are going to see theoretical explanation of calculation of linear regression. Here we have the datas of x and y. Since we have 4 datas, n is equals to 4. Summation of x square would be the addition of squares of datas of x. Summation of x would be addition of datas of x. N is the number of inputs, that is 4. Similarly, summation of y square is the addition of squares of datas of y. Summation of y is the addition of datas of y. Summation of xy is the addition of product of datas of x and y. X bar is the average of x values, that is the summation of x values divided by the number of inputs. Similarly, y bar is the average of y values, that is summation of y datas divided by number of inputs. Make a tabulation of x datas, xi minus x bar datas and xi minus x bar the whole square datas. Xi minus x bar can be calculated by subtracting the average of x values from given x values. Square the values to get xi minus x bar the whole square and get its summation. Sigma x can be calculated by the given formula, that is square root of summation of xi minus x bar the whole square divided by the number of inputs. Likewise, standard deviation of x can be calculated by the formula square root of summation of xi minus x bar the whole square divided by n minus 1. Now, make a tabulation of y datas, yi minus y bar datas and yi minus y bar the whole square datas. Yi minus y bar can be calculated by subtracting the average from the y datas. Square it to get yi minus y bar the whole square and get the summation of it. Sigma y can be calculated from the formula square root of summation of yi minus y bar the whole square divided by the number of inputs. Standard deviation of y can be calculated using the formula. Here is the equation of linear regression line, that is y is equals to ax plus b. Using calculator, we could find a and b. A and b are known as regression coefficients. This is the equation to find slope of the regression line, where r is the correlation coefficient, sy and sx are standard deviation of x and y. Using calculator, get the value of r and substitute in the formula to get the slope of the regression line. We could verify that b is the slope and a can be the intercept. We can use calculator to get all these values easily. Check description on how to use calculator for linear regression. Thank you guys. Subscribe and support. Stay tuned.